Everyone. In last lecture we learned the practice set 1.1, how to construct the angle bisector and perpendicular bisector. So today I think you all are learned that, and most of them submit their homeworks, but those who are not submitted their homeworks, just complete it and submit it as soon as possible. Now today we are going to learn the types of triangle and construction of triangle. Okay, now first see the types of triangle based on the length. We all know triangles are having three sides and some lengths are there. So based on length, triangles are classified in three: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle is what? A triangle which have three different lengths of sides is called as scalene triangles. That means the length of all sides are different. Now second one is isosceles triangle, a triangle which have two sides equal. That triangle is known as the isosceles triangle. And the last one is equilateral triangle, a triangle which have all sides are equal. That is known as equilateral triangle. Now I am going to show you how to construct these three triangles. Before that, I just tell you the triangles are also classified and based on the angles. Three types of triangles are there: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. The construction of these types of triangle we will learn in the next lecture, but today we are learning the construction of triangle based on the length. Okay, so let's start the construction of the three different triangles one by one. First, just assume a question is given: draw a triangle in which length AB is 5 cm, BC 4 cm and AC is 5.8 cm. So before drawing any kind of a triangle, we have to draw a rough diagram. Rough diagram handily we draw. See here, the biggest length is 5.8. So we draw a base AC 5.8 centimeter. Now from here AB is 5 and here BC is, this is 5 centimeter and this one is 4 centimeter. Now we draw the fair diagram of this. So first we draw the base of 5.8 centimeter. So we use the scale from 0 we take the length from 0, make a point, and 5. After 5, 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines. Now join these points. This is AC 5.8 centimeters. Okay. Now use your rounder with a pencil and take the length AB 5 centimeter by using the scale. So we take the 5 centimeter like that. From 0 to 5. Keep your needle of your rounder on point A and make an arc like that. Then BC is 4. So okay. Now BC is 4 centimeter. So in a rounder we take a 4 centimeter. 4. Make an arc like that. After that, just join this intersecting point with point A and point C. So this intersecting point is your point B, and AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter. So this is your triangle ABC of three different lengths: 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5.8. 3 different length. That means this is the scalene triangle. Okay students, so now come to the next one. Again one question is there. Draw a triangle in which one side is 7 centimeter and other two sides is 6 centimeter. So for that also we draw the rough diagram. The largest length is 7, so we take a 7 centimeter. Other two side is 6, to make 6 centimeter. See, in this question no name is there, so you can give any name, like I am giving P, Q and R. And so it will become triangle PQR. PQ is 7, PR is 6 and QR is also 6. See, in this one PR and QR both are 6 6 and one is different. That means this is the isosceles triangle. Now we do the fair diagram of this question. So our base is 7 centimeters, so we draw the base of 7 centimeter by using the scale and pencil. Right here P Q 7 centimeter. Then PR and PQ is 6, so in the rounder take 6 centimeter, just like that, and keep your needle on point P, then make an arc. See, QR is also same, so don't change the length and make another arc. The intersecting point is your point R. Now simply just join the point R and P and then R and Q. Write the distance. PR 6 and QR is also 6 centimeter. See carefully, both two sides are equal, 6 and 6. One is different. That means this is the isosceles triangle. Now the last question or the last topic, last types of this triangle is equilateral triangle. So just assume one question is there. Draw a triangle in which the length of all sides of triangles are 6.5 centimeter. So very simple. As we know, first step is our draw the rough diagram. Handily draw the rough diagram with your pencil. So here all sides are same, 6.5. centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter. See, here also no name is there, so you can give the name by your convenience, like I am giving the triangle A B C. So this type of triangle, to draw this type of triangle is very easy. First you draw the base. Okay, now so first draw the base 6.5 from 0, 6, after 6, 5.5 lines. Write the name A and B, 6.5 centimeter. Then see, all sides are equal, so no need to use your scale. Take this distance only, 6.5, and make an arc from both sides without changing its distance. Now this both arc is intersecting at what point? That point is point C. Now simply join these points. And write the distance, length of sides 6.5 centimeter. While drawing any type of triangles, use pencil. Don't draw with a pen. I repeat, don't draw with pen. And write the names in a capital alphabet or capital alphabets A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, L, M, N, whatever, but capital. Now see in these questions, AB 6.5, BC 6.5, AC 6.5. All three sides are equal. That means this is equilateral triangle. So there are three different triangles based on the length. First one is a scalene triangle. All three sides are different. Second one is isosceles triangle. Two sides is same and one is different. And third one is all sides are same. That is equilateral triangle. Now you all see the three different types of triangles. So your practice set 2, second exercise of this lesson, is totally based on these three types of triangles. So you have to just complete all the sums of this practice set 2 and submit it the time whatever is given by your class teacher. Then the types of triangles based on the angle, the construction of that type of triangle we will discuss in the next lecture.